Are you posting every day? Facebook, TikTok, Reels, Stories, Instagram? The list is never ending, but your phone still isn't ringing. Meanwhile, the guy down the street hasn't posted on social media in months, but he's booked solid through the next month. How is that possible? Hi, I'm Gail with MapYourBiz. Okay, so here's the thing nobody tells you. Social media and Google Maps have two different jobs. So one creates demand and the other one captures it. And if you're a local service business, one of those is way more valuable than the other. Let me explain. Think about it like this. Instagram is like putting a billboard out there on the highway, and no one is really looking for your service. They're just driving by. And it's the same on Instagram. They're scrolling by and they're looking at their dog videos, and all of a sudden, they see, oh, hey, look at that roofer. Maybe a new roof. So that's demand creation. So you have to make people want something that they weren't even thinking about. Google Maps is different. They're already on there looking for that service they needed. So when someone searches roofing contractor near me, they're not scrolling for fun. They're doing work. They have a leaky roof. We're ready to hire someone today. So that's demand capture. You're catching people who are already looking for you. So here's the number that matters: 80% of local searches start on Google, not Instagram, not Facebook, not TikTok. So when they're searching for that plumber, that electrician, that contractor, that landscaper, they go to Google. They don't go to TikTok. All right, so let me back this up with some numbers. Google Business Profile actions, that's calls, directions, website clicks, those grew 41% last year. 85% of search pages now include local results. And 84% of your profile views come from discovery searches. That's people searching for a service, not your business name. So now let's compare that to Instagram. The organic reach for business accounts is declining. You're fighting an algorithm that shows your posts to about 5% of your followers. So you'd have to have a huge following to make a difference. Even when someone sees your post on Instagram, they're in browsing mode. They're not in buying mode. So I see this all the time with contractors. You spend 3 hours making a reel about a bathroom remodel. It gets 200 views, 12 likes, zero calls. Meanwhile, your Google business profile, the one you haven't updated in 6 months, it's sitting there generating calls every week for free. But you're not optimizing it because you're too busy making TikToks. So here's how I explain it to business owners. Instagram is like having a really nice business card. So it looks great, feels professional. You love handing it out, and it's good to have. But nobody's calling you because you have a beautiful business card. They're calling you because they searched plumber near me and you showed up on Google Maps with beautiful photos and great reviews and accurate hours. And you called them back when they called you. That's super important. Okay, I'm not saying social media is bad. I love social media and it absolutely has its place. And if you enjoy it and you have good engagement from your customers and it enriches your life as a business owner, then keep doing it by all means. But don't neglect your Google business profile to make a TikTok. It's not helping you. So here's my challenge to you this week. Maybe find a little extra time and update that Google business profile. Or maybe instead of making another Instagram reel, update that Google business profile. You'll see a theme here happening. Update your category, add some photos, answer your reviews, and hopefully you'll see a difference over the next few weeks. So if you need a free audit and need to know why you're not getting all the customer engagement that you think you should be getting, let me know. So here's the bottom line. People on Instagram are looking at memes. People on Google Maps are looking for you. So stop spending all your time where people are scrolling, and start spending some time where people are buying. As always, take at least one thing from this video and put it into practice this week. Your business will thank you.